Get me out of there.
All right, this is on loan from the National Naval Aviation Museum, Pensacola, Florida. Let's check this out. SH-3H Sea King. Obviously, this was one of the Marine One helicopters. Some big blades. President of the United States SEAL.
Could you imagine having this as your personal helicopter?
I would love it.
Because I mean, it looks like you could fit a bed in there and everything.
Yeah. VH3 Delta. What
wow.
kind of egg is that?
It's like a dinosaur egg.
Oh, it's huge.
It's massive.
That's not, that might be a goose egg.
It's probably another
No
bird.
pun intended, right?
Probably another bird eating